Hello, this is Mark Sam, and I come your way today with another interesting and amazing session to share with you. Today's tutorial is just about how to help you to create your first post on the Hive blockchain. In my subsequent post or the previous one, I spoke about how to create Hive account and also the importance or the use of the various keys which were downloaded for Hive operation. Today, or in this episode of today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you're going to make up your first post. And making a first post is very crucial and very important on the Hive ecosystem. It defines who you are, and whenever you want to make an intro post, it's not something difficult. It is very important that when you are newbie or you are new to the Hive blockchain, you make a very first post, which we call introductory post. It's the introductory post which helps the platform to know who you are. You tell the community your niche, things that we should expect from you, and that is what introductory post is all about. And so in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can create your first post, and it is going to be the same method or the same process through which you post or make subsequent posts. So if someone will ask, after creating your Hive account, how do I make my first post? How do I start creating content? How do I start begin to earn? How do I start to earn some incentives on the Hive blockchain? And so this video explains how you are going to make your first post. Let's get started into it. To make a first post, what you need to do is know what you want to speak about. You are basically going to talk about yourself. It is about you and yourself, nothing else. Just tell us who you are, what you are interested in, your passion, your hobbies. What should we expect from you as you join the Hive ecosystem? You can give a little bit about your background or anything that you want the platform to know about you. Don't write so plenty of words. Just write something very few or small but very nice. Use basic words. Don't try to impress anyone. You can talk to us about yourself in about 3 to 4 paragraphs or even 6 paragraphs or more, but don't make it like a whole booklet. No, just make something very brief and simple. Please mind you, on the Hive blockchain, it is built in such a way that it uses a high level of technology. If anything you write on the Hive blog is an article, is a write-up, it's something which isn't your original content, but it's something you've copied somewhere to post, please it will be detected. And once you are being detected or your article is being found of plagiarism, that might be the beginning of the end of your journey on the blockchain. So please and please make sure everything you share on the Hive blockchain is your original article. It is something you have written yourself. You never copied from a movie, a music, a book, any write-up. It is just your own article or your own write-up. And with that, you're going to have a very wonderful stay. So let's begin by writing something about ourselves. So maybe I want to introduce myself to the Hive blockchain. And so my first post is definitely going to be introductory post. Someone who created the account has shared his information with me that I should help or use it as a guide to help you to also make a post in your journey on the Web3 technology. So to make a first post, I'm working on the PC, as you can see. You can do same on your smartphone or any other device which is having access to internet, and you can really browse with it. So what we're going to do first is we just need to open our web browser. Any browser, it could be with Chrome or anything. I'm going to work with Microsoft Edge. So I'll then open my Microsoft Edge browser, and then let's not forget where we are going to post. We are blogging on the Hive blockchain. We spoke about the Hive ecosystem, and we said Hive block is one of the ecosystem. Sorry, so we are going to go or visit hive.blog. That is the website we are visiting for Hive blockchain or our blogging activities on Hive. And as you can see on the screen, once you log on to hive.blog, it will introduce you to the home page. And in this home page, you see series of posts made by people. These are articles people have shared. These are content people have created, and they are getting incentives for whatever they have shared. And this is actually what you're also going to do. And everything you see here is real. In case you doubt it, you are going to step into this world and you have a feel of whatever you are seeing here. You might even earn more than what people are doing. Suppose you are active and you create quality content for your blog. Okay, so having opened the website hive.blog, we then log into our account. How do we log in? We enter our username, not your full name. Our username is, or I'm logging in with someone's credential, which I have full permission to do so. Eddie.plus is the username. Password, remember the Hive keys. After the creation of the Hive account, we have the Hive keys. Now if I should ask, which of the keys are we going to log in here? We are using the posting keys. Please don't log in here with your Hive active key or password or master password or even the owner key. Always make sure you are logging with posting keys unless there is a specific task you want to perform. And so to log into Eddie's account, I would need Eddie's posting key. So let me go copy Eddie's posting key from here. Okay, this is his posting key. So I'll kindly copy and then I paste it into the field. That's the password field. Then you hit login over here. Let's see how we're going to log into Eddie's account. Now Eddie has been able to log into his account. Now once logged in, Eddie is still going to have this. In case you log in and you don't see this, don't worry. This is your first time and it's definitely going to be this way after you have made your first post. Please, let's give a little bit of some touch to our profile. Once you are logged in, please come over to this. This is a profile icon. Click on this profile and you're going to see the profile here. Let's go to the profile once again. Now having visited the profile, let's come here to settings. Settings here, locate your settings under the profile. Then once you see the settings, you're going to see your entire profile. Here is the profile picture URL. So under this session, I would advise that you upload an image, a photo, which is going to be set as an avatar or a profile picture for your account on Hive. It is very professional and very nice when you have a profile picture. You can also upload a cover image. This cover image, once uploaded, is going to be seen here where I'm hovering the mouse. You're going to have the cover image here at the back of your blog or at the page, back of the page of your Hive account. So click here on the upload an image. Now locate which image you want to upload. If it's this one, then you click OK or you click open. Once you're done with that, you can also add something small about yourself. Who are you? Talk about something that will make people see it whenever they visit your blog. It's kind of a bio. Yes, let me put it that way. A bio for yourself. And then you come to location. The location can tell us where you are. You can even link your website to this, and that will be that. Once you are done, please make sure you hit the update button. Now this is the picture I uploaded. It was loading and it is now done. Once you are done making any settings to your profile, make sure you click on the update, and the update or the information you have added to your Hive profile is going to take effect. All right, now having done that, let's come back to here. We are going to make our first post, and this is the icon which leads us to making the post. This pencil or this pen, let's click on that. Now that once that is clicked, we have this page, or we are sent to this page. Now on this page, we have something we call the editor. The editor is always a screen or a page which allows you to make a post. Now once you start writing everything, whatever you write will be in a form of a draft. It wouldn't be posted until you are done posting. So this is the first thing that you're supposed to do. Click on the pencil or the pen and you will be here on this page. On Hive, we usually have something we call communities. Communities are created for engagement and for different activities. You can also create a community, but I wouldn't advise you to create a community yet. Take your time. Once you are through, you know your way out, you can create your own community. Instead, why don't you go join other communities that people have created? So like Ghana, we have Hive Ghana community. So I would advise that post through the Hive Ghana community for now. With some time, you can visit other communities and see how they all operate, and then you can also make good impacts over there. So to visit a community or to post through the Hive Ghana community, why don't you come over here, search button, and we click on Hive Ghana, or we type Hive Ghana. Then you click on enter, or you search on whatever that you've shared. All right, so you're going to see Hive Ghana over here. Let's see if we can have Hive Ghana. All right, I think I see something like, Okay, let's visit this post. Okay, this is the Hive Ghana account or Hive Ghana community. So once you are here, Eddie has already joined the Hive Ghana community. If he had not joined, you will see join button over here. You simply need to click on the join and you are going to be part of the Hive Ghana community. Once you join the community, the only thing left is for you to make a post by clicking on this button, new post. So if I click on new post like this, it will take me back to the editor where I started. Or again, if you don't want to join a community, you can still post straight, like doing this and posting, but remember the post is going to be left on your blog. It wouldn't be left in any community, but when it is posted to a community, it gets more visibility. A lot of people see it easier, and it also helps give your blog or your post the needed attention. So let's assume we are posting to a community or even our own blog, your personal blog. This is the text editor. Now on the text editor, the first thing you see here is your title. So here you write the title of your post. In your subsequent ones, if you want to make any article, just go ahead, give your article a title. But in this instance where we are making introductory posts, we are introducing ourselves for the first time to Hive blockchain, I would suggest we put a topic or a heading like my introductory post. My introductory post. Or someone will say introducing myself as a programmer, introducing myself as a baker, introducing myself as anything. One good thing about Hive is you can create any article on Hive. It could be of any format. Write about anything. You're not limited. If you are a good cook, there are communities who are into cooking or into food. You can join them. They can help you to create stories, create items, show a lot more people some different Ghanaian cuisines, and let us know how they are all made. Okay, so having done that, we have our editor page here. From the heading or the topic here, we come here, which is the body, and this is where you're going to write the whole story or the content that you want us to see. This is where you write the article. After the story or the body section, you come here to post summary. Here it is called post summary. Under this field, you simply give a short description of whatever you're writing about. Please don't go and write a whole paragraph. No. I think the maximum characters this field accepts is even 140 characters. So just write something simple. In this instance, where I'm making my first post, my topic is my introductory post. So what do you think is going to be my post summary? Maybe I'll write something like introducing myself. Introducing myself. Yes, this would be my summary. All right. Now on Hive, we work with tags. The tags are basically used to help people access your post or your article. So maybe you have written something about food. I need to write or add the tag food so that whoever on Hive opens food, they are going to find my post among all the posts or articles which have been written under the same tag. Now we're going to write a tag that is going to make our post, or relevant tags which will make our post more visible. And so I'll simply click on this one here where enter your tags. After writing each tag, separate the tags with just a space, just one space, and you can use maximum 8 tags over here. So for this post, I'm going to use tags like introduction, then I give my space as seen on the screen. After that, I'm going to give another tag like blockchain. So when people visit this tag, they're going to see my work. Another space. We choose another tag. Hive Ghana is a tag which will make your work visible to the Hive Ghana community. We choose Hive Ghana. You can also choose Hive. Hive is also a tag. You can also choose Africa. Africa is a tag. And maybe photography. So people who are so much into photography can easily see your article or your post that you have written and then begin to engage with you as well. Now let's come back to here. This is the body of the article where we're going to put everything up. Okay, so Eddie has already written something which he would want me to share. So I'll quickly run to Eddie's post and then start to share with us. So let's see what Eddie has for us for his introductory post. Okay, my intro. Okay, this is Eddie's post, which he shared with me to also post for him. All right, so having opened Eddie's post, it's just a matter of copying and paste. So I'm simply going to copy everything and paste it into the text editor. So this is Eddie's post. So presume this was your post. This is something that you have written. At the end of every paragraph, you can just give a space or just move to another paragraph and just keep writing. Now the good thing here on Hive with the text editor is, as and when you write, the more you write, you have a preview of whatever is going on the other side of the post. So you can see the left side here is where we have the text editor. Now on the right side here we have the preview of article or anything that we have written. One thing on Hive is, please never write a post or any article without corresponding images or videos. Make sure you attach videos that correspond to whatever you are sharing. But in that instance, make sure the picture you are also adding to your post is not a copied image or photo from anywhere. Remember, I have said earlier, Hive doesn't tolerate plagiarism. It includes imageries, it includes photography. If you add any photo to your article or your post and that picture has been shared as well, that picture has been copied or downloaded from somewhere, please, you are going to get a bad name, and that will be a very bad reputation for you. It doesn't mean you can't use people's pictures or downloaded images. You can, but once you do that, make sure you have given it a reference. So under that picture or image, you are going to give a reference. Let us know where this picture is coming from. If it isn't your original content, if it isn't your original document, tell us, downloaded from, or you use tags to markdowns to help us know where those images are copied from. Now we're going to insert some pictures for Eddie's work and give it a very beautiful touch. So I'll put one picture here. Wherever you want the picture to be, just put the insertion point over there. So I want a picture to be here, beginning of Eddie's write-up. That's where I want the picture to be. Eddie sent me some photos. Yes, I found them here. And when you are inserting photos after you've written everything, you can click on this. Insert images by dragging and dropping or pasting them from the clipboard or by selecting them. You can see the reading from this screen. So when I click selecting them, it will give me the opportunity to access or open a directory where the images are located. Maybe I want to post this image. I want to put it over there. So I would simply double click or click on that and open. Now we can see here uploading. So the image is uploading, and in a bit of time we're going to see it is uploaded. You can also see the upload speed. This is how the image is being uploaded. 100%, 100% is being uploaded. So we have Eddie's first picture uploaded to the post that he is writing. All right, I want another picture to be somewhere. Since he's talking more of himself, he's sharing more about who he is, I want another picture to be here. So let me hit enter here. I'll hit enter again to have enough space. Then I can put another picture also here. This time I am not going to click on this to select the picture. Instead, I am going to do drag and drop. So I'll pick this picture, then I double click, drag and drop it over this place where the insertion pointed. Now you can see here it is uploading, and that's why we have the reading 32, 37, 42, 47. And once it is uploaded, we can check that from the preview here to see how it is going to appear in my post. All right, now the picture is being uploaded over here. Let's scroll down to see if the picture is uploaded. Yes, we have it over here. Awesome. That's it. Okay, now we scroll down. Maybe we want another picture somewhere. Why don't we add one more picture here to give Eddie's work a beautiful touch? Okay, so this time we can also either drag and drop or we select from here. So once I click here, the editor will allow me to enter a directory and then choose a photo or any image I want to upload. Okay, so this is the image I'm uploading. We can see the percentage. Okay, it's finally ready. So that's it, we are good to go. Edit post is almost ready, and this is exactly how yours is also going to be once you begin going through the editor process. So basically, this is how to make a post whenever you're ready to start blogging, start creating content, start monetizing your social activity on the Hive blockchain. That is, if you are ready for blogging, then this is basically what you're going to need. The last thing we are going to do before we make the post is editing. Here in editing, well, adding the pictures is also part of the editing, but there is one aspect which makes the work so nice, and that is you are going to format the work. We have some online code system which we use to format every text, every article, and the common word we use is markdowns. Markdowns. If you want to know all the markdowns that are used on Hive blockchain, kindly scroll down and where is okay, there is it. Yes, this one. When you click on this, it is going to lead you to another website where it will display to you all the markdowns that are used on Hive, and even more that you can also use on other platforms. So all these are markdowns that work very well on the Hive blockchain. Let's try one markdown for you to see how the markdowns work. Okay, so maybe I want to make all these first paragraph, I want to make the words italics. I want to make this first paragraph italics. It's very simple. I will use the star markdown. That is one star from the beginning of the paragraph, then at the end of it, one star. If you make it double star from the beginning, double star at the end, then that is bold, just as it is seen on WhatsApp. These are coded characters that are used to format text and items on the Hive blockchain. Let's see how it's going to work. I have one star here, then I come to the end of the paragraph, another star. Now let's scroll, let's see the preview if it worked. That's it. So now we have it here. This has changed to italics. Now let's see if we can change the greetings everyone. Greetings everyone. I'll give it a double star from the beginning, a double star at the end. Awesome. Now we have this formatting, and these are what we call the markdowns. So these markdowns allow us to add beauty, a different touch to the post or any article that you are prepared to share on the Hive blockchain. So from here, once you think you have gone through, you have your topic, you have your body, you have inserted images, you have given references to every image that you have. If it's your original image or photography, don't worry giving it a reference, it's fine. But unless it is copied, if it's a copied or downloaded image, please then make sure you cite good reference to that. Okay, and don't forget that the first image you use for every post is definitely going to be your thumbnail for the post. That is, whoever visits the post, or when your post is displayed on Hive, that is going to be the main cover image of that article you have shared. Once you think everything is fine, please go ahead and click on post. Let's see here, posting to my blog. It means I'm not posting this article to any community. But if I want to post to a community, then I make sure I've already subscribed to certain communities, and then I'll click on this drop down, and I'm going to see the communities I've subscribed to, and I can easily select one of them for the post to be shared on that community as seen here. So if I click on this, the post is going to be live, and everyone on the Hive blockchain is going to see it, and that is how you begin making a post every day on Hive. I wish you could ask some questions, but you can still come to the page and ask any question that you wish to put or ask, and I'll be in a very good position to help answer all these questions for you. If there is anything you don't understand or baffling, please don't hesitate to get us notified. Kindly share everything on the page, and we will do justice to that. In the subsequent days, we're going to share more on other things like how to use Markdown and how to add more beauty, how to join communities and engage to get attention on Hive. This will be the end of today's presentation. I've walked us through how to create a post, how to create your article, how to share or to post on the Hive blockchain. Thanks for today. You can equally share this channel, which is going to be used to give some tutorials, or even like the post, and that'll be of a very good use. Thanks so much.